It is Cyber Monday. It's time to make a lot of money if you are doing online arbitrage. In today's video, I am going to show you how to actually source a website manually to find deals, to find products to sell on Amazon, all right? If you are new, we are having a live masterclass on December 8th, okay? Next Sunday, all right? So there's a link for you below to actually sign up for the live masterclass. You can win $100 just by joining and showing up to the live masterclass. So if I were you, I would actually join, right? The link is below. Join the live masterclass. I'm going to share my strategies to actually scale in 2025 because Amazon is changing, okay? Everything is constantly changing, so I'm going to show you exactly what I will do. In 2025, I'm going to show you the strategies and I'm going to give you a list of products that were really, really good for me in the past and that might become really, really good as well again in 2025. So join the live class by obtaining in the link below. I'll see you on Sunday, all right? So today is Cyber Monday, so we are going to look at a sale on Joe's New Balance outlet that is going to be on the daily target list. If you do not know what the daily target list is, it's a list of sales to target for the day that I actually share, that my VA actually built for me and used to send it to me, but no, it is actually public. So if you want it, by the way, if you want to get the whole list, you can go to oalist.com, all right? And it's going to bring you to this website. You can actually try it for $1 a day. You will receive the list every single day at 11 a.m. All right? So yeah, watch this little video. Is going to explain all that to you. Now, let's get into some sourcing. So we are going to source Joe's New Balance manually, all right? I would not advise you to source this website right now because what I noticed is I used to source, I'm not going to lie, I used to source this website a lot, right? It was really, really good. However, if you're not experienced with New Balance right now, you're going to buy a lot of products that are going to tank. The reason why is because a lot of people building lead lists are actually sharing leads right now from this website. So if you buy shoes from this website, you need to buy shoes that sells extremely fast. If not, your product is going to tank, or you need to have the quantity limited on Joe New Balance outlet, right? So this deal is going to be on the target list that at the time that I am actually shooting this video is not actually sent, haven't been sent just yet, but it is going to be on it today, all right? So yeah, so as I said, if you try this new source, just do not go too deep because last summer was really good. Right now products are tanking a little bit, but remember that it cycles, right? So people are going to stop selling that and you're going to be able to jump in and make a lot of money. But I'm going to show you also, and by the way, it's not because I'm saying that all the leads that you're going to find on this website are going to tank, right? It's not true. If you can buy a lead that do not have that doesn't have a lot of stock, you might actually be able to make a lot of money, right? So let's look quickly. We're not going to accept the cookies. Let's look quickly at what we can find right here. All right. So if you source a brand, you need to know what model are actually selling fast, right? For New Balance, the 1080 V13 actually sell quite fast, but the price is a little bit too high. So I'm going to do this. I'm going to sort by top sellers, so I can get an idea of what's selling fast. And actually, wait, because we have an extra 40% in cart. So the first product actually might actually be profitable. Let me do this. Let me pull this up on Amazon. Yeah, it might actually be profitable. So the 1080 V13, here's the, and is this the men? This is the women's listing. This is the men's listing. So this might actually be profitable. We just need to find the listings that Amazon are not on because Amazon is on a lot of these, right? Yeah, and actually they are not on these right now. So let's check if we have this colorway. Here we go. We do have this colorway right here. And is it going to be profitable? We have size 8 and size 16. Let me close this. And by the way, I'm going to use my product cost calculation spreadsheet to actually calculate my cost. So we have 40%. We have a 40% coupon. We don't have gift cards. By the way, you can get this link in the description. All right, so we have no gift cards. And what type of cashback do we have? Let's go on cashbackmonitor.com and let's check Joe's New Balance outlets. Here we go. And we can get, well, we can get 15.75% on top cashback, which is actually crazy. Let me double check. Yeah, great. So 15.75%, if you want to count that. If you don't, you do whatever you want. 15.75. Shoes, you're going to pay like $175 at your prep center. This is what I pay for shoes. And so we get this pair at $129.99, which is going to bring our cost down to $67.46 at the prep center, which is probably going to work. Let's see if size 8 is actually profitable. Let me see. Okay, Amazon is not on the size 8, and we get this. Okay, so first product that we check is actually profitable. Here we go. First product that we check. I wish I could get them for $6.78. Okay, so 50% return on investment. Amazon is not on them anymore. If you can grab the whole stock, I mean, if the stock is limited. Oh, and it's actually, wait, it's actually size, it's actually wide. All right, so we need to change this. 8 wide. Here we go. My bad. This is something that you need to pay attention to when, okay, so Amazon is on size 8 wide. This is something you can buy size 16 wide. No, I don't know if it's going to be good. But yeah, this is something that you need to pay attention to when you are actually sourcing shoes. Sourcing like running shoes, sourcing New Balance and all that stuff. So let's look at the black one. It's just going to be about finding the variation that is actually good. All right, so the black one, we have size 8 at, yeah, size 8 wide. Size 8 wide. So let's look at size 8 wide. Amazon is on size 8 wide. Okay, let's do this. Let's go to the variation tab. And let's look at all the listings where Amazon is actually not selling right now. All right. And we're going to go through them one by one. So we have size 9.5 wide for the black one that we don't have in stock, right? We are going to compare this like this. 10.5 for the all black one. Let's see if we actually get that. It looks like we don't have any standard size. Okay, we don't have that. The gray one, size 10. I think is it 10 wide or the regular 10? Size 10 for the gray one. Is this? Okay, we don't have the gray one. Let's move to the next one. The all black, we did not have size 10, if I remember correctly. And we just have extra wide for this one. It's crazy. The blue one, we have size 11, but we just have the white one. So let's do this. Let's look at, okay, size 8 was not working. Let's look at the black one. We have white, 7.5, 8. Let's look at this. Size 13, out of stock. Size 11 wide. 11 wide, right there. We do have it in stock. 11 wide. Let's go to this pair of shoe. And we get them for $67.46. $67.46, extremely profitable. Here we go. So you have some profit. Are you going to be able to sell this at $189? I'm not sure. Are you going to be able to sell this at $164? Yes. Yes, you're going to be able to do that, right? So if you can buy the whole stock, go ahead, buy the whole stock. I mean, check the variation to make sure that it's actually selling fast. But it looks like there's actually some movement, right? So it is indeed selling. You will need to go to the variation and make sure that this specific variation is selling, right? Which is size 11 wide. Let's check together. Let's check together. Size 11 wide. 11 wide. 11 wide. 11 wide. Here we go. Let's look at the reviews. Okay, 5 reviews. So it's selling. All right. So quick profit. All right, quick profit, easy way to make money. There's going to be a lot of deals for you Cyber Monday. Hopefully this video was helpful. Make sure to sign up for the live class, okay, because you're going to learn how to do this every single day to be able to be consistent, because this is the main thing that a lot of people struggle with, right, with online arbitrage. So yeah, I'll see you tomorrow for a new video. Thank you for watching.